Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about Mixsoon Soybean Milk Pad. These pads with rich nutrition and hydration, as well as enhanced moisturizing power, spreadability, and absorption. It contains only nutrients such as 5 soothing ingredients, hydration, and moisturizing barrier without residual or greasy feeling. Simple and hygienic home aesthetic treatment. Hygienic skincare is possible with individual packaging and multi-pack pads that take care of hygiene and cleanliness. Soybean Milk Pad are portable multi-pack pad that is hygienic and usable anywhere. There are 3 sheets in one pack, full of essence, which is cool, moisturizing, and nutritious. These pads packed with key ingredients that you can get from Soybean Milk Pad are such as Centella asiatica, Houttuynia cordata extract, tea tree extract, and soybean extract. These ingredients help to provide all-in-one care for your skin, including hydration, antimicrobial, moisturization, soothing, healthy, and glowing skin. These pads absorbs a lot of moisture and is full of essence to deliver a cool feeling of moisture. How to use: firstly, smooth out skin texture with one side. Then place the sheet in the desired area. Horizontal from cheekbones to temples, can be applied to forehead and neck, vertical from under the eyes to the chin. After about 10 minutes, remove the sheet and lightly tap the remaining essence on the skin for better absorption. There is a generous amount of essence, so after use, apply the remaining essence to the back of your hands and neck. Final thought. I love these pads as formulated into easy packaging, so it can offer travel-friendly benefits. Use everywhere anytime with convenience. Get glowing clean skin everywhere. Thanks for joining us.